Hey guys, today we have a craft clay jewelry kit maker here, and this can be for kids, for a birthday gift, or anything that who loves crafting. This is perfect for you guys. And we're gonna see what's inside and see how it looks like. So inside the mat, it comes with these little jewelry stickers, a silicone mat so you don't get clay everywhere, instruction kits of how to make your own jewelry kits, or you can make your own. This is just some guidance that they have or some instructions they want to give you to the kids. You can use this, and they give you a bunch of clay, like so many of these little packets. There's multiple colors. They give you pink, blue, purple, yellow, all of the colors they have, black. Take them all out. They even give you 3 different molds. We got a little big bow tie. We have a big bow tie. We have a little circle, and we have a little heart. And the last 2 things are the actual roller. It is a pretty good roller because it is clear. It comes in the plastic wrap so it won't get dirty. And the little knife we have here. Okay, now that we finished the product here, we do have to put it in the oven to be able to make it permanent. And to make sure kids always use a parent supervision, for this you do need to bake the oven at 130 Celsius for 15 to 30 minutes. And we're going to do that right now and see the finished product in the end. So after 15 minutes inside the little oven, it comes out really hard so it won't break. And this is perfect for carrying your jewelry or just have a little decoration. You can use the clay for anything else as well. This is just one of them, and I can do many more. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.